Alrighty. Our next pose is cat and cow. And this again is a breathing focused exercise. Not really an exercise, but a movement that allows you to open up again your chest and your back. But let's not talk about it. Let's do it. So you're going to get on your hands and knees. Have your knees just a couple of inches apart, the tops of your feet lying on the floor, and then your arms straight under your shoulders. The first part of it is cow, and you pull up, raising all the way up, pausing, and then doing cat. And then again, hold it at the top. Breathe in on cow. And out on cat. Some yoga teachers like you to go moo and hiss. I'm sort of in favor of just allowing the breath to come in and allowing the breath to release as I open up the back. Cow. And cat. Cow. And cat. Really round up that back. Last one. Cat. I'm sorry, cow. And then cat. Now you can do this for a couple of minutes with instructions. We were about 3 minutes there. You can do 6 or 7 of these moves and you'll be fine. Didn't that feel great?